In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to thread your industrial or your manual sewing machine. I'm Joke Setro and you're welcome to Setro Craft channel, where I teach you sewing as easy as A and B and C.
On this channel, I and my husband teach fashion using pattern and freehand cutting for both male and female, yeah.
So what do? You just put your thread into your spool pin like so, and you go all the way, yeah. You start like putting your thread on the spool pin. Yeah. So you make sure that the top and bottom thread are together like so. Then you take them to the back before you start stitching, and make sure you stay them down. And then you start stitching just like so. For the manual machine, you have your bobbin in the bobbin case like so. Having your thread on the spool pin, for some manual machines, you follow your manual. For some manual machines, they thread back to front, front to back. So you check your manual, but this, for some they thread right to left, but the industrial machine threads left to right, and this also threads left to right. So you have to check your manual to know which exactly goes for your machine. You make sure you always take the top and bottom thread to the back and hold down such that it doesn't give unnecessary hiccup on the stitches. For more sewing tips for beginners, please do watch my video how to sew for a beginner, and don't forget to subscribe. If this video has been helpful to you, like, share. Yeah, till I come your way next time in an interesting video. I'm just catching you. Bye.